Like, I'm gonna whoop your ass.
Blush.
Hey, what's up everybody? It's Taikina Beauty. I'm back here with another graphic liner series. It's Christmas Eve. Got my cute Christmas sweater on. I'm right on time limit. Only got like 20 minutes. Y'all pray for me. Okay. Let me go to my screen. Oh shit. Found it. Alright, let's get into this look. Happy holidays. We're gonna go in with the Taikina palette. I'm using Soleil. I really like that color. I'm gonna use like a shimmery color on the eyes, something just simple since I'm going really crazy with the liner today. It is Christmas Eve and I just wanted to look like Santa's helper. Thanks, Cam. My sister like tried to roast me, but I was looking cute. So anyways,
work that. Riding like a rodeo.
we're gonna take that liquid eyeliner called Chiflada and just put that on the middle of my eyelids. I don't know what you call that part, the base, the eye line, the lash line, duh. So you're gonna put that color there at the lash line. Gotta make sure it's thick. Now we're going in with that red. I was torn between a neon red and a deeper red, so I went with the deeper red because I thought it looked more festive. So basically we're going to kind of trace or follow your eye shape, like the corner. That's what I'm doing here. So I'm just like doing like a V shape and trying to connect it, but I want to make sure that part is sharp and straight and not crooked. Gonna go all the way up so you're kind of connecting with the lash line of the liner you put there, and then just keep stacking on that liquid eyeliner. This hair is giving me Scott Pilgrim vibes. I love that movie. Now we're gonna go on the other side. When I think about this, it's kind of like a reverse opposite ended wing liner. That's what it puts me in the mind of. But I like that it shapes your eye and gives like a illusion. That's what I love about makeup. Makeup is like art, and it can just make you like transition into anything you want to be. So now we're gonna draw on that thing. I was very like Bowie inspired. I wanted to do something crazy on Christmas Eve, so that's like where that came in. Somebody was so sweet in my last liquid eyeliner video. They said this looks like an editorial. That was such a compliment, so thank you. Like, I feel like I do give editorial vibes, so like that means so much. So now we're just gonna fill in this shape. I feel like this is like two trapezoids sitting on each other. It looks like a bow tie too. I messed up a little bit there, but I'll go back and fix that, and I'll show you guys how I fix my liners to make it look straighter and just more cleaner. I'm liking how it looks. So we're just gonna repeat that part. I wanted this part to be really lined up, so I did have to go back and fix it. It just looks better, and it just looks like what you did had purpose. So that's why I went back and like fixed it. You'll see later on. I just wanted to be aligned because they don't look aligned right now. Like one looks higher than the other, and they just don't look like twins. So we're definitely gonna do that, but we are gonna fill this in, and then I'll fix it up a little bit down the line. But if you mess up, just keep going, just keep swimming, and yeah, just go in there. I'm silly. I I call my boyfriend Dory sometimes because he has freckles on his nose like Dory, and he has a small nose, and I think his nose is so cute because like I don't have a small nose. It's just not small. And like I don't call him Dory, but like he reminds me of Dory in a good way. It's cute. Only because of the freckles. Okay, anyway. I'm so weird. I like it though. Whatever. But we're gonna keep going. Yeah, so I just wanted to go back and fix that because it just wasn't lined up, and it just looks better now because it looks, again, like it has purpose. Like I meant to do that. I feel like if things don't kind of look aligned up, it looks like was she supposed to do that? Like, did she get into a fight? What's going on? So it's aligned up now, and then we're going to just fill that in very quickly. I was like rushing doing this. I was rushing because I was on a time frame. I had stuff to do. I was like wrapping presents last minute, and I'm still here Christmas Day wrapping presents. Me and my family, we don't open presents until like late at night. So there's that. But we're gonna add some more chiflada to the ends because I want it to look connected. So we're gonna add that there very well. And then we're going to elongate that. These look like arrows. I'm gonna call them daggers. This is my dagger liner. I always try to like line them up with the other side, but it never. No two liners, no two eyebrows, no two things look the same. No, they do, but sometimes in an instance they do, but yeah. There's like a phrase for it. I love catchphrases. Now, I just like was thinking of Zorro when I did this. And I love Antonio Bandera. I love him. But yeah, we're just gonna fill this in. I love getting off topic, clearly and obviously. And yeah, we're just gonna fill this in. I was very thankful for this liner because the brush was not messed up. I've gotten liners from this brand, and I would open up the tube and the liner brush is just bristles are everywhere, and I can't make a straight line because the brush has no form. It looks like it got stomped. I feel like I got a bad batch. It's just horrible. But this brush was really good, so I was very happy with that. This is a lot of liner. Taking this off wasn't as harder as I thought it would be, but it did start to get itchy towards the end of the day. But I mean, you're not gonna wear this all day. Surprisingly, this didn't take long too as well. So we're just gonna keep filling in until everything looks clean and straight. No pun intended. That would be weird. So they don't look the same, but I like that it doesn't. I feel like a superhero. Like, I'm gonna whoop your ass. I'm not gonna whoop your ass. Now we're gonna clean up the baking part, the translucent part, my favorite part because everything's coming together. You guys, it's snowing. Oh my gosh, it's snowing on Christmas. That is so cute. That is really, really cute. I don't like snow, so you guys will not see me in the snow, so but maybe I'll take a picture. I'm not done. I'm definitely not done because I want some highlighter. All right, so there we have it. Here is my not my Halloween look, Holiday look. Super cute. I like it. I think it's really fun. Loving this hair. How do you guys like the purple hair? I think it's super cute. If you guys like this video, please like, comment, subscribe, and if you're gonna subscribe, you better hit the notification bell twice so you guys know the next time when I post a new video. I'll see you guys in my next video. Until then, bye beauties.